In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate and manage your account on the SHEIN platform. Whether you're a regular shopper or just getting started, this guide will help you understand how to access essential features to enhance your shopping experience. We'll break it down step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to SHEIN's website, grab your device, open up your preferred web browser, and type in mshein.com into the address bar. Once you're on their homepage, it's time to make your way over to your personal profile. This is going to be crucial for accessing all your past orders, setting up preferences, and managing your account. As you navigate through the homepage, look for the icon or link labeled Me or Profile. It's typically displayed clearly on the interface, often located at the bottom or in a convenient menu. Clicking on Me or Profile will direct you to your personalized account section. This is your central hub where all your order activities and account details are neatly organized. Once you're in your profile section, you should notice an option titled My Orders. Clicking on this will give you an overview of all your transactions. It's here that you can dive deeper into your purchase history. You'll find options to view your full order history, including all orders you've placed.